Alright, introduce yourself first. Just tell me your name, age, qualification, working experience, both in only.
My name is Bikram Rai.
Mm-hmm.
I'm from Pastor.
Okay,
I'm 30 years old.
30.
Yes,
Okay.
30.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, my experience is 2 years in India, New Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what was the job in New Delhi?
Now, also warehouse.
Warehouse help.
2 years in New Delhi.
Which company? Big company. I mean, just tell me the product. Maybe water, grocery, what?
Yes, sir.
Gro-
Grocery in SPC company.
Mm-hmm. Grocery.
Yes, experience.
Okay.
Yes.
So you worked as 2 years, right? What kind of duty was that? Like loading, unloading, or what?
Yes, sir.
Loading, unloading, that
Load on loads and delivery also.
delivery.
Yes.
All this is. You know how to ride forklift also? Forklift jacket. Why didn't you continue your job in I mean, in New Delhi, India?
And 2 years.
Mm-hmm. For the first time, are you trying abroad? I mean, Romania for the first time.
Romania, yes, for me first time.
First time. Why do you like Romania?
My dream country.
Really good. Okay. Transfer this one there. I want to see.
Okay, sir.
Good. Okay. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you, brother.